Hello, I just want to talk a little bit about the next project. I think the specs are pretty clear, but I'll just talk through a few things here. So you're going to design and create one of two things, either a chess set and a chess board, or you are going to design a new toy. So you'll just do one of the following, option one, option two. So option one is model and render a chess set and a chess board of your own design. And I'll talk about chess sets and chessboards at the end of this video. So you want to design something that's new, hasn't been seen before. Do not just create, a standard chess set. Make something like thematic, something interesting. Like, for example, a chess set based on architecture, or a chess set based on I don't know, furniture, even, and I'll just keep watching the video. I'll talk more about that as we go along here. Option two, if you don't want to do the chess set and chessboard, you can model and render a toy car, a toy boat, or a toy airplane. Or if you have a different idea for a toy, you're not thrilled with toy car, toy boat, or toy airplane, you can pitch me an idea. Just send me an email and give me your idea for what kind of toy you want to design, and if I approve it, you can go forward. So, any idea, don't just go off on your own. Let me know first what you want to do, and we'll talk about it. All right, so you're going to turn in your Cinema 4D file, and the file names are right there in the specs. And you're also going to turn in two different good quality renders that show, the models in a credible space. So, in other words, your finished models need to be textured, have materials on them, well lit, and staged on some kind of platform or table, and have a background. So, like, if you're making a toy, it would be, pretend it's a product shot for the toy, so just set it up, light it well. If you make the chess set, it'll have to be on a chessboard. Set up the pieces nice on the chessboard. Again, you can show it as if it's a product shot for this chessboard you're trying to sell. So you don't render just the model floating in a stark black background. We don't want that. I want the renders of the model or models to look real and credible, so and appear to the best of your ability to look like photographs of real objects. So well lit backgrounds, showing your models off to their best aspect. So for the renders, the specs are right there, and it's pretty much what we've been using all semester, 144 DPI, but you can go up to 300 DPI if you want to. At least 1,000 pixels in width. Like, you can use, if you want, you can use the HD format, is okay, or you can, it's up to you how you want to frame your shot. You can make them any size you want to, as long as I'm seeing all the models, they look realistic, and good lighting and all that other stuff. Before I close out here, I want to talk about chess sets in general. If you go with the chess set route, so these are, this is just a pixelated image here of the silhouettes. Just realize there's only 6 different pieces in the chess set. There's a total of 16 total chess men on each side, right? 32 of them, but there's only 6 different models. And so, you make 6 different models, and you apply different materials, and, life is good. So it's really not that big of a deal. And making a chess board is also a simple model as well. However, I don't want you to just make these standard pieces, come up with something interesting, unique, and creative. And these are just some examples I found on the internet. Like, this is this is really not a high quality chess set at all, but just to show you like how you can vary this. This is just a relatively inexpensive wooden design of a chess set. You can explore something like that. This is an Art Deco kind of theme, and you see like there's the pieces are made of brushed aluminum, and they're on this really nice textured marble chess set. So this is a really good example of the chess pieces going along with the board, which is what you would have to do. You know, whatever, however you design your chess pieces, you have to design a board that goes along with it. This is something like this is completely doable in C4D. These are chess pieces made out of bolts and nuts and all that other stuff, hardware, and that this would be, again, the chess board goes with the chess pieces. Typically, not always, but you know, if you have the same material in the chessboard as you're using in the chess pieces, one light, one dark, it usually works out okay. This is a design by Man Ray, the surrealist, mostly for surrealistic photography. This was designed in the 1920s, and this is in the Museum of Modern Art in New York. So, you know, minimalist, you know, really cool. And there's another shot of it here. That's not it. That's the, don't pay attention to that one yet. This is the for sale. This is the marketing part. Somebody made it, the Man Ray design in wood, and you can buy this on the internet. So anyway, but I wanted to show this because the check out, you know, the minimalist pieces with the minimalist board, you know, it goes together really well. This one I just wanted to show as an example, you know, based on Easter Island sculpture. You know, this would be tough to pull off in C4D, but just to give you ideas. This as well is, you know, based on ancient sculpture. Again, I would not attempt this in Cinema 4D with the time we have on this project. You could use the sculpting tools. You could sculpt something like this. Considering how much limited time we have in this course, I would not go that way, but it's something to show that I want you to expand your imagination. If you go with the chess set and the chess board, don't be afraid to, like, you know, go outside the box a little bit. And this was a cool one here. This is by an artist by the name of Rachel White-Read, or White-Red, because I'm not familiar with this artist at all. This was an installation in 2006. And it's little tiny furniture on this fabric. The chessboard is like rugs and carpeting, and the chess pieces are furniture. And so, like, you could do something like this, you know. So, like, there's, again, you know, just think outside the box. Like, for example, you could do a chess set based on architecture, you know, or animals or whatever. And I wanted to show something else here. Now this, see this is something you do not want to do something like this. So if you're thinking chess set and just think, oh, I got a great idea, I'm going to do something on like with dragons, you know, a dragon themed chess set. Well, that's a wonderful idea, but make sure you can make it. So something like this, you know, when you choose a theme, make sure it's doable. You know, like even that Easter Island sculpture thing, that's pretty elaborate, you know. So keep it simple. And anyway, I think that's about all I have to say on the project here. So yeah, I think that's it. So good luck with this, and just try to have fun with it. It's you know, the intention is, you know, to have something that you could, like, stretch your imagination a little bit, and it's pretty open ended. So just try to have fun with it.